Hello, dear friend. Welcome to this podcast. In this podcast, I'm going to talk about leadership. What is leadership and what is required to become a great leader, right? So stay till the end so that you can know that what is leadership and what is required to become leadership in my style. My name is Suniltams Guruji. I am India's leading digital success coach for SEO, digital marketing, and success mindset. So if you are interested in learning SEO and digital marketing, you can join career building school. Okay, so that's it. Let's continue. So when we talk about leadership, how to develop leadership skills, so the first thing comes into my mind is communication. So when you want to establish yourself as a good leader, or I would say a great leader, because I think that leaders are always great, they are not good. Good people are not leaders, and leaders are not good, they are great, right? Yeah, that's my thinking. So if you think I'm not correct, do let me know in the comment section. So, good leaders actually know how to convey their vision, convey their goals and their expectations to their team or to their followers. They know it, how to communicate clearly and effectively, right? So, if you want to become a great leader, you need to practice clear and concise communication. In few words, you should be able to convey your message. That is called preciseness, right? Not only communicating, not only speaking. As a great leader, you should also practice listening. The more and the better you listen, the better you will be able to convey your message to the team, right? So, as a leader, you should be open to feedback. You should learn more. You should take more from the outside so that you can give something back to your team. So, that is the first part to become a great leader, communication. Now, number two, if you want to become a great leader, you have to lead by example. What do I mean by lead by example? That, like, for example, I want something from my team to do. I should have done that. I should do that. If I have not done that yet, I should do that, and I should show them that what I am capable of what anybody is capable of, right? So my tone, my behavior, my results, my work ethic, everything should be the same what I am expecting from my team. So I have to demonstrate all these things, my commitment, my integrity, my professionalism, right? So that your team is inspired, right? The team will follow you. So it is very important. One more important thing here is that you have to respect your team. So what I believe is that when you respect people, when you give people responsibility with respect, they do wonderful jobs. So you show respect to your team and you take responsibility of your actions so that they can see that you are taking responsibility for your actions. They will also take responsibility for their actions. So it is very much important. You should show them that you are always looking for betterment and you are always looking for excellence, and you are doing it, you are striving for it. So they will also do that. So you are setting an example in every field, in your professionalism, in your behavior, in your tasks, in your job, in your communication skills, everywhere. That is called lead by example. It's not like that you are doing something expecting something else from your team. Okay. And the third point by which you can become a great leader is you can empower your team members. You can give them tasks, means you can delegate the tasks with full trust. You need to practice to trust your team. So when you have faith and trust, these things really work. When you show that you have trust in them, they actually feel boosted. Their confidence get boosted, and they get a sense of appreciation, and they also get the sense of ownership of that responsibility of the task. So they are bound to do better. They will put their heart and soul into the task. So that is why trust your team and support them. Offer your guidance and resources for them. Do not hesitate in them, because without guidance and without resources, nobody can perform. A star player also need a regular coaching. So that is why empower your team and trust your team. And the next fourth point to become a great leader is continuous learning and self improvement. Leadership is not a designation. Leadership is a journey. It is not a destination. Okay. It is not a designation. It is not a destination. It is a journey. So you have to invest in yourself, in your personal development. You can seek continuously new learning opportunities. You can go for formal education, you can go for mentoring, you can do it by self study, by reading books, and you should be open to new ideas and you should be adaptable to changes. So challenge yourself, try to be better every day, try to upgrade your skills, try to upgrade your communication skills, try to learn new skills. So that is why so that your team is also inspired to do so. So when they see that you are growing as a person, they are inspired to grow. So this is the fourth point. And the last one is very important. It is cultivate emotional intelligence. Very, very important, but it is very, very hard to understand. So let me try to explain. Emotional intelligence is very crucial for effective leadership. Means you are aware of your own emotions and of others. See, sometimes we become so professional that we don't even care about emotions, and we speak something and other people are offended. Offended team or offended team member can never perform up to your expectations. So managing emotions in healthy ways, communicating effectively, and handling interpersonal relationships judiciously, developing your emotional quotient can improve your ability to lead with empathy. Try to understand people. Try to understand why they are saying yes, why they are saying no, how they are behaving in a proper manner or particular manner. Try to understand and be empathetic with them. Resolve conflicts with empathy. You need to build a strong, positive relationship with your team. Respect them. Respect yourself and respect your team. Whether they are performing or not performing, there is no compromise with respect. A person who is respected, appreciated, and given responsibility always performs. So these were the five qualities. Let me try to give you summary of the points. The first quality is communication clearly and effectively. Second one is lead by example. Third one is empower and trust your team. And the fourth one is continuous learning and self improvement. Cultivate emotional intelligence is the fifth one. And nobody can stop you from becoming a great leader. In the last, I would say leader is the one who goes the way, shows the way. Leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way, right? So without practical experience and without going through all the struggles, you cannot become a real leader. You should have all the real and practical experience. Then only you can understand your team better. Then only you can keep growing. Thank you very much for listening to this podcast completely. Thank you very much. And if you are interested in learning powerful digital skills, join my free masterclass that is on careerbuildingschool.com. Go to the description, you will find the link, and I will see you in my live webinar. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.